Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to my channel. Today I have an in the post for you, and this is in the post number 37. Sorry, number 38. I'm losing track of time here. It is in the post 38. Let me just check my paperwork. And my paperwork says yes, it's in the post number 38. I do apologise. Firstly, we've had some coins from Change Checker, and I got gold edge Paddington at the station, a standard blue edge Benjamin Bunny, and a gold D-Day. Now I do have all of these cards at the moment, so I'm just waiting for a new set to come out to restart the collection. So far I think it would be nice perhaps to see maybe £2 coins that have gone into circulation, or non-circulated ones, non-circulated 50p's that haven't gone into circulation, or maybe, shall we say, the old £1 coins. Do a set of those, or do, say, a set of the £1 coins a set of the £2 coins at the same time, and then go back and do the non-releases of the £2 and the 1 and the 50p pieces that we've not seen. So when you get stuff coming in by post, you also get stamps, and I've had some very interesting ones. There's some beautiful ones there, for instance, from Canada, another set from Canada, and then this one is UK Christmas. Now I just got this one. Now I thought these ones with the bar on them with a Queen Her Majesty's heads on was being withdrawn, but I got them this Friday, so that surprised me a little bit. However, that's by the by. You're not here to see stamps, we're here to see coins. Okay, the first coin, let's bring that in just a little bit. This is a Jersey coin. It's 8 doublers from 1956. I will be doing, as with all of these coins, I will be doing their own video, so don't worry too much about that. We have a very nice 5 centimos from Spain from 1870. There's a series of 4 of those coins that make up the complete set. I only have the one at the moment. I'm looking for the others, or it may be that I have to buy the set of 4. We follow that by the next in the US Women's Series for the second year. This is a 4th coin of the 5, and this is Eleanor Roosevelt. I've got this one, and also Edith Kanakova. I've got who's a Hawaiian lady. Her coins are coming to me. I thought I did have them, but I lost them and didn't do the video of them for some unknown reason, so I've had to reorder them. Next we have the blue card £5 coin for the England Lionesses. The thing with this is this has just been produced in the Proof series, which was from the Royal Mint, which I've already done just a few days ago before recording this. This, however, is not a proof, it's just a BU. I don't know why they bought it out. It seems a bit naff. I got another 50p of the King Charles coronation, and I've got a gold edge card version. I thought they'd run out of those ones because they were produced in this plain blue package like this one. But we have one I've got 2 of them at the moment, but I do have a 3rd one coming. This is the Windrush 50p. One will stay in as a blue card, one will be a spare, and the 3rd one will be cut away and put into a flip for a date run. This coin here is not a coin, but it is a Royal Mint exclusive, so to speak. It is the Coronation Medallion. You can tell it's a medallion because it hasn't got the King's head on the back on the obverse. It's just got the coronation date of King Charles III, and there we've got. Oh, let me take that down just a little bit. We have the crown and sceptre and the crown with Westminster Abbey in the background. That is a medallion that they put on sale and is only available if and when you go to the Royal Mint experience or go to the Royal Mint shop. Talking again things that you can only get from the Royal Mint shop, we finally have the last of the series of this particular series, and it's the £5 Scotland Lion Rampant. And again, this coin again is only one you can get from the Royal Mint experience, from their Royal Mint shop. And another coin I ordered from the Royal Mint and is only available for the BU version, which this is, in colour, for the Windrush. Now this is a BU version. You can buy coloured versions from places like Change Checker, but they're the silver ones and they're about 70 quid. This one is £23 with the postage, so it's a bit of a difference. So how did you like this collection of In the Post? We got some really nice coins. Anyway, we got all sorts. We got £5 coins, 50p pieces. We got a couple of quarters from America. We got a very old 5 centimos, and we got an 8 doublers from Jersey. All in all, quite a few things. And then we had the odd bits, which were the cards and also the stamps. What do you think of this collection of stuff? This is a good post box, I think. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, could you please give me the thumbs up, and could you also think about subscribing if you haven't done already. The thumbs up and the like and the joining, the subscribing to the channel doesn't cost you anything. I am trying to enhance my subscription levels again this year. I'm aiming for 250. It is now towards the end of June. I think it's the 26th when I'm recording this, and I have 188 subscribers, so I've still got a way to go. I think it's doable from the 100 that I got by last Christmas. So if you can, please do. And I know about 70% of you that are watching the channel at the moment aren't subscribed, so could you please think about doing so. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you get the coins you want for the price that you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4 videos a week. I've been averaging 5 over the past few weeks, so hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.